Crane Park ICT suite. We've installed two small file servers, which are these models there. We've got 30 user suite, CPU running 60% with 30 users on it in one box. Close this room door. Effectively, around this room we have 30 virtual computers, all running LG network monitors, running around here, all logged in, playing or running Espresso at the moment. So we have 30 machines currently running off of one of our computers, all running full screen video, and then there's one physical computer which is acting as a teacher's computer. This is this one, which is a smart board. Printer in the room, all the machines networked, running through two sets of cables. Let's just sit down here. So, one i7 SolarReady server, supplied by Connecting Minds. If I want to go off to the internet, go click. If I want to run, this is with 30 machines running off the one machine. Microsoft Word running, type my favourite letter, return, don't save it, get out of the internet. Software. Basically the computer responds like a reasonably normal computer. Some people say much faster. Running some of the Too Simple software for primary skills. Back to Espresso. So the speed of it is due to there's 30 users logging onto the one computer system. 8 gig of RAM, so it's not one of the top spec machines. It's a standard machine. But ITC suite, iDesk supply all the desks. These ones, basically the monitors drop down in the centre to leave a couple of conference desks, all around the side. No noise, no heat. All the computers are running off of between 11 watts and 20 watts maximum. We've powered a plug-in to let us know the energy using. And the teacher's machine is the only one actually really using power. The server's not using a whole lot either. And that's kind of it. Long-winded video. Say bye.